सकट शेतान ती उत्तीर्ण जावन नांव जोडची साबार आसात. प्राय पावोन एक साधन करची मनशां मस्त आसात. पूण राष्ट्रीय मट्टार न्ही, अंतरराष्ट्रीय इंटरनॅशनल लेवलार एक साधन जोडले उत्तम भुरगें आमचे सांगता आज आसा. 6व्या क्लासीन शिकचे हे भुरगे अमेरिकांत वचून इंटरनॅशनल आर्टिस्ट ऑफ द इयर अवॉर्ड जोडून आयला. तुमकां येदोळस कळीत जालां हांव कोणा विशयांत उलयतें आसा म्हूण सांगून. सो येस, वी हॅव अमंगस्ट अस इंटरनॅशनल आर्टिस्ट ऑफ द इयर अवॉर्ड विनर एंजेला सारा डी अल्मेडा. एंजेला, welcome to this show.
It's such an honor. Thank you so much, Father.
Yes. So, Angela, what is your inspiration to learn music?
So I had started singing during COVID-19, just like that, because we had nothing else to do. And then I really started enjoying it. And I took it up very seriously. I started giving graded exams. And then we came across this opportunity, this competition. And then I did it and I won. It was such a surprise. I was so happy. I mean, it feels so great.
So all credits go to COVID-19, where you all blame COVID-19. She took COVID-19 as a stepping stone, and today she's in front of you as an international award winner. So Angela, can you give us a small introduction about yourself?
Okay, so I study in grade 6 in Mount Carmel Central School. And I enjoy singing. It's my hobby. I also do it professionally. And I study at Viavoy Music Academy. So it's really a great opportunity over there. My teacher, Tanisha Herbert, she is very inspiring and she trains me so well. I really, really enjoy it. I find my inspiration all around me, my friends, especially my family. And God has really given me such a unique gift and I'm so happy about it.
That's great. That's wonderful. So you said that you study in grade 6 in Mount Carmel Central School. So what is the support that you're receiving from your school?
My school, whatever it is, even if it's a small program or whether it's just performing in front of the class, just a small class. Even if I don't want to, sometimes I'm like, no, I don't want to do this. My classmates are like, you're so good at it. Why don't you go ahead and do it? And that always encourages me. That is my inspiration, especially in school. And my teachers, they're so encouraging, they're so supportive, and my school is a major part of my success.
Wonderful, wonderful. So are you able to manage your studies and singing hobby simultaneously?
To be honest, it's actually pretty hard, but I just keep practicing it every day and somehow find the time to just manage a couple of minutes to practice singing. And even if you do it, just hum while you're walking. That's also some sort of a practice. And especially when you're doing it with your mind, it's very impressive. Like people don't recognize it, but it's actually just humming to yourself. That's such a great thing.
So that's wonderful. So you said that your friends do support you, but it's hard managing studies and singing. Perfect. No worries. So today you have reached to this level that you are being recognized in an international level and international award winner. How do you feel about this?
It's great, but to be honest, I still think I'm blessed. Obviously, I'm very blessed, but I can do better. I can always do better. This international award, it's not going to be my last award. I can always keep practicing with all the inspiration around me, and especially because of all the encouragement from my family, I can always do better. This is not the pinnacle of music, and I've not achieved that yet, but I can still keep practicing and I can do better, and I know I'll achieve that pinnacle very soon.
Wow. ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಂತ ಈಗ ಸಂಜ್ಞೆ ಅಸ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾದ್ರು ಕೀರ್ತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮುಂದೆ ಸಂಗೋನ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಳ್ಳೆದಲ್ಲ ಸಗಳೆ ಸಂಸಾರ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಾಸನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ and she is saying that this is nothing. Anyways, that is the confidence we need in today's youth, wherein this world is filled with social media accounts. I mean, even we use it, but still when we are all consecrated or embolized with that social media, she's saying that this is nothing and she's trying to strive more. Keep her in your prayers. Anyways, so you said that your family supports, right? So I heard that you have a sibling. So in what way does she support you?
So Suzanne is also, she's pitch perfect. She's a musician She's also doing music professionally, just like I am, and she's very good at. She plays the piano, and she's very good at it. I'm really impressed by the way she plays the piano. It's so inspiring. Not just for singing, playing an instrument. It's another unique thing. It's a whole different thing altogether. And she's so great. Whatever I do, whatever I achieve, whether it's really small or whether it's something great, she's always like, keep going. She's not like, oh, you got this, or she's not jealous. She's like, good job, Angela. You did it, and she's so supportive.
We don't see this more often. We always hear complaining siblings, but here the coordination is more good. That's good. Hope we don't jinx that. And I pray that she supports you throughout your journey. So you said that your sister Suzanne, she supports you. And what is the support of your parents?
My parents, so they are the ones, my mom especially, she's the one who entered me into this competition. We had just started a YouTube channel, just thinking I could just record it, everything, and just put it like, it's like a folder full of a collection of files like that, and just put some videos in it. And then we came across this competition, and my mom had just submitted a video, and then it turns out I got 98 on 100, and I was like, no, I didn't sing this really great. I don't deserve this 98 on 100. But then when the second time I got 100 on 100, I was like, this is crazy. I just love it, and it's all because of my parents. And that feeling of winning, it is so great. I'm sure anyone who wins anything, they can feel that, they know that.
Is it issue of every topper that they say 98 is not enough? She got 98 of 100 and she's like, nah, that's nothing. That's like every topper does this. So how did this journey of reaching USA start? So what were the steps that you followed?
So we give these graded exams for Trinity. Right now I'm doing ABRSM grade 5, which is the Royal College of Music. They are this like almost the same boards. You have this book and with a couple of songs from musical theatre, and then you have classical. So you have to pick 3 songs and perform them at your best. So they'll evaluate you, and out of a certain marks, they'll give you those marks, and based on that you'll get a certificate. And once you reach grade 8, if you want to do a PhD in music, you can do that. So that's how it works. And so that's how it started. I had started with initial grade singing, and I got really, really good marks. And it's very rare to get such marks. So I was totally encouraged by it. And I'm, like I said, that time I'm very blessed. So I kept doing these grades, and now I'm in grade 5.
Okay, so you are in grade 5. Academics, you are in grade 6, and musically you are in grade 5. What a coordination. So you reached America. So for this award, that is Artist of the Year award, like what was the procedure you followed? Like had you have to submit some video, or you had to do some professional recording, anything of such sort?
So the IT World Studio, like I said, just to start my YouTube channel, I had done my first video over there, and the recording was just incredible. My singing, and it sounded so crazy good. I just watched it and I was so impressed. I'm sure the judges were too. The technical quality was so good, and Sanjay uncle, he supported me a lot with it. So that was the first video I'd submitted for my this prize, this one which I'd gone to receive in New York. Yeah, the one I'd got 98 on 100 for. So I had submitted that video, and I had gotten first prize with honors for that. And that's how it had started. So we just submitted it just like that, and suddenly I just come from coaching, and then they're like, you won first prize. Like, you're joking, right? It's an international award. How could I win it? I sang so badly. And they were like, no, you won it. And then I was so happy, and that truly encouraged me, I think.
Wonderful. And I think it was a shock when they said that you won international, right? Hanga amka national award ya iskalante award medle muntan shock zata saiba. Imagine the condition how it was. That was good. So right now, what style or what genre are you singing in? Like what genre songs are you singing?
So I train in classical singing. The songs I had submitted were actually pop, but I do classical singing, so that includes opera and all of that. So that's what I submit. For these exams, it's always classical singing. I train for that genre.
And who is your trainer?
Mrs. Tanisha Herbert from Viavoy Music Academy, Bangalore. And it happens every Tuesday, and we do some warm-ups, and after that we just perform our song. We get some feedback on it and what we could improve for our next performance. So that's really great.
So you mentioned about your YouTube channel, right? So can you tell us what is the name of your YouTube channel?
It's just Angela Sarah Delmira.
Guys, check it out and comment how is it. Also subscribe and share the videos. Okay, this is what we actually don't do in our videos, but I'm telling you guys to subscribe and let's see how it goes on the video. Okay, so is there any person in your life you want to thank or you want to specially mention about them?
So even before COVID-19, when I had just started out with the piano, my grandma was a huge supporter of mine. From just, I call her Nana, by the way, and she just, just playing those keys. We just started off, and then after all of that, during COVID-19, we had the professional stuff and all of that. But when I had just started off, it was my grandma who totally supported me, and none of that part during COVID-19, none of that would have happened without her, supporting me on my musical journey.
So, and the present situation where people blame their grandparents or family members, here is Angela with us who is telling that she is the main reason, and that's really sweet of her and wonderful. So, Angela studies in grade 6, okay? So, you guys or whoever is watching is basically of her age, elder to her or younger to her. So, Angela, what message would you like to give to the present day kids and youth?
So I found this on a YouTube video online. Finished, not perfect. So whatever you start, make sure you finish it. Don't worry about being perfect. We often stress on being perfect, perfectionism. But you start something and drag it and finish it. Complete something. Over time, when you keep doing that thing again and again and again, you are just going to get better. What you do today, you'll be impressed with it today, but what you do tomorrow, you'll be even more impressed and you'll not like what you did today, right? So start something and finish it, whether it's a project, whether whatever, art or sports or whatever it is. Start something and finish it. Stop worrying about being perfect, because no one is perfect. No matter how many times you practice, even thousand times if you practice, you'll never be perfect, right? There's always going to be some sort of flaw and all of that. So start something and finish it, and trust in yourself. That's the most important thing.
Yes, no one is perfect except God. So try till you finish it. Do not stop. Wonderful message, Angela. And now I'll trouble you a bit. So you have sung in front of American audience and international. So it's a humble request from us to please sing some lines for us and our viewers.
So steady yourself even though you know that you're falling. Maybe you're falling, but you're still alive. Ready yourself, that's quite enough of your bowling. 'Cause maybe you're bowling, but you're still alive. Oh, 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 oh. And losing is only a sign. It's only a sign that you really tried, really tried. And losing is only a sign. It's only a sign that you really tried, really tried. Forever trading places with the same old me. I'm racking up the cases of who I failed to be. Why would I replace the sky? Why would I recreate that perfect blue? What would I change it to? Oh, won't you tell me?
I'm literally in shock. I mean, I do sing, but I'm in front of you, I'm nothing.
Steady yourself even though you know that you're falling. Maybe you're falling, but you're still alive. Ready yourself, that's quite enough of your bowling. Maybe you're bowling, but you're still alive. Oh, 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 oh. And losing is only a sign. It's only a sign that you really tried, really tried. And losing is only a sign. It's only a sign that you really try. Forever trading places with the same old me. I'm racking up the cases of who I failed to be. Why would I replace the sky? Why would I recreate that perfect blue? What would I change it to? Oh, won't you tell me? What would I change it to? Oh, won't you tell me? What would I change it to? Oh, 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 oh. You can copy and paste your head on a new body, but that new body's still made of flesh. And cutting corners get you where you're going, but how you get there is the real test. And losing is only a sign. It's only a sign that you really tried. And losing is only a sign. It's only a sign that you really tried. Forever trading places with the same old me. I'm racking up the cases of who I failed to be. Why would I replace the sky? Why would I recreate that perfect blue? What would I change it to? Oh, won't you tell me? What would I change it to? Oh, won't you tell me? What would I change it to? Oh, 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 oh. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Angela, for your time. And yes, today we came here and I think we met the youngest achiever of our series, what we are doing in Carmel Kiran Media. Illa English ulele sartalengi no nengi. Okay, ami kong niuleya. Yes, moga chano hangasar ami he series ajik mug ditaw. आमचे सांगाता एंजल आसले आनी तशेंच आमी ताच्या मम्मी लागीं आनी ताच्या दाडा लागीं इसार लेवल हाडटानी इमिडिएटली आमकां जायत म्हळें तांणी आमकां जागो वदकसून दिलो आनी हांगासर ताची आतां सद्याक 2 आसात परद्या फाटल्यान मस्त आसात खंय देर आर मेनी मेडल्स मेनी मोर एंड आमी इतलेंच मागचें की टुडे यू हॅव रिच्ड अमेरिका and one day we hope that and we pray that you reach the whole world and we can say that yes, I too have done an interview proudly. So wishing you all the best, sir. Dev tujhe आशीर्वाद घालून दी. May infant Jesus bless you more and more. सडीत मनोरंजन म्हूण सांगिना सडीत सिरीजाक तशेंच देवाच्या उतराच्या शब्दाक पळयत रावा कार्मेल किरण मिडिया. सो मेस्तांक देव बरें करूं. टेक केअर. बाय.